200 kilometers to the south of Bangkok and accessible by train or road lies one of Thailand's oldest beach resort towns, Hua Hin. This popular stretch of coastline with its surrounding limestone peaks was highly prized by the royal family in the early parts of the 20th century, and the King of Thailand has a permanent residence here today. Hua Hin today caters for a range of visitors and offers all of the coastal holiday activities you'd expect, including fishing, diving and swimming. There are upmarket resorts with spectacular gardens and opulent interiors, but also plenty of cheaper options as well. The area is not just all tourist industries either. There are working fishing boats and other coastal industries lending authenticity to the experience. Hua Hin is particularly good for food lovers. There are great Thai cooking courses, and the abundant supplies of local seafood provide plenty of opportunities to practice. The markets are a great place to wander at night and grab bargains, as well as trying some exotic and spicy street stall food. It is easy to organize a ride on a local longboat to get you around the coastal areas. The nearby Samroy Yacht National Park is a brilliant place to explore. There are secluded beaches, vast marshlands, and extensive cave systems among the limestone hills. While there, be sure to visit the incredible Kuha Karuas Pavilion, which is sited in dramatic cavern setting and gives an insight into the importance of spirituality in this beautiful country.